Hello everybody, my name is PJ Bootstraps and welcome to another Unity tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you all about the interface of a project. Open the project that I showed you how to open in the last tutorial. The project window displays your library of assets that are available to use in your project. When you import assets in your project, they appear here. So for example, if I click Assets, Import Package, I can choose what package I want to import. The scene view allows you to visually navigate and edit your scene. The scene view can show a 3D or 2D perspective depending on the type of project you are working on. I made a 3D project, so when I add something in, like a cube, and when I press play, you can see that when I press play, it is in 3D view. The hierarchy window is a text representation of every object in the scene. Each item in the scene has an entry in the hierarchy, so anything that I drag in the scene, like this cube I dragged in, is in the hierarchy window and is also in the scene in game view. You can also rename objects by right-clicking on the object you want to rename, click Rename, and type in what you want to name your object. The inspector window allows you to view and edit all of the properties of the currently selected object. Because different types of objects have different sets of properties, the layout and contents of the inspector window will vary depending on the object you select. So if I click my cube, you can see the components on the cube in the inspector window. The toolbar provides access to the most essential working features. On the left, it contains the basic tools for manipulating the scene view and the objects within it. In the center are the play, pause, and step controls. The buttons to the right give you access to your Unity Cloud services and your Unity account, followed by a layer visibility menu. And finally, the editor layout menu, which provides some alternate layouts for the editor windows and allows you to save your own custom layouts. For example, for the layers, if I click the button next to the word nothing, it shows nothing in your scene view. So if I click this hand symbol, I can move the scene around. If I click this and click my object, I can move it Z-axis, Y-axis, and X-axis. This, I can rotate it to any way you want. This is actually mostly for 2D, or no, this is, so you can do that. But if you want to make things easier, you can put it in 2D version and just bring it out, change it out like this. If you hold shift, you can only move it bigger or smaller without actually widening it or making it taller. This one, click cube, you can choose the width and height of your object. Play button plays the game. The pause button pauses it, and this button, if you have like an animation and it's paused and you click it, every time you click it, it'll move to the next frame of the animation. If I click account, go to account, it'll go to the account. It'll go to my account. If I click layout, I can choose or make my own layout. So if I click 2x3, then the layout is different. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.